Dear students, good morning to all of you. I am Manjay Pramanik from KBCRPF Mokamaghat. Last day, we have known about the spoiling time and condition of some food items, and also about the precaution applied in market to buy some packaged food items. Today, in this morning, we will try to know how food items become spoiled and how we can conserve the same item by applying some tricks. So let's start. Here you can see a picture. This picture indicates us that the piece of bread becomes spoiled. The question arises here, how does food get spoiled? You can see here in bold letter, here written, how does food get spoiled? Here an activity, and in this pandemic situation, we can't do it in our classroom. So it have to be done by you in your kitchen, in your own home, and you can be with your friend also. So let's know about the activity. The activity, for this activity you have to get a piece of bread, a few drops of water, and only a box. At first at first you have to get a piece of bread. Take a piece of bread. After that, you sprinkle a few drops of water on it and put it in a box. And after putting it in box, you have to close the box. And after that, every day you have to find the box, you have to find the bread, what चेंजेस ऑन इट. सो आपको एक ब्रेड की पीस लेना है और उसमें कुछ ड्रॉप्स पानी दैट मीन्स वाटर छिड़क देना है, स्प्रिंकल करना है, और उसको एक बॉक्स के अंदर या फिर किसी पात्र के अंदर रख के ढक के रख देना है. और आपको क्या करना है, डेली इसको ऑब्जर्व करना है इसमें क्या चेंजेस आ रही हैं. मेक दिस टेबल ऑन ए चार्ट पेपर एंड पुट इट ऑफ इन क्लासरूम. इस तरह के एक चार्ट पेपर आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ. सच टाइप ऑफ चार्ट पेपर यू कैन मेक इन योर होम एंड you may be cooperate with your you may be cooperated with your friend also. And this type of chart paper already ready made chart paper, you have only make it duplicate. So at first you take a chart paper, and on the chart paper you will make a observation table. And here you can see the point is day, another point is changes in the bread or roti, and there are many sub point. One is by touch, by smell, by looking through, hand lens, by color. How you can find out it? So I hope you will make a chart paper just like that, just like this, and you will note down your observation, all these things what you will observe on it. Next, find out the reason for these changes. From where did the fungus come on the bread? आपको फाइंड आउट करना है चेंजेस को, और क्वेश्चन यहाँ पूछा गया कि कहाँ से फंगस आया ब्रेड के अंदर. Last classes I already discussed about the greenish spot of bread. On it you can see, you can observe some greenish spot. All these are fungus infected. So the question is, from where fungus come on the bread? Next one is different kinds of food items spoil due to different reason. Some food spoil soon, some stay good for long. Already about this we discussed last classes. Some food items those take only 2 or 3 days, some food items for a week, and some of them a month or 2 months. So you have to make a list of such type of food items and you have to make you a list about regarding season and condition. The idea about this season and condition in which food spoils quickly. Already this point also discussed last classes, which season is very familiar, very in which season food items spoils very quickly, and in which season food item spoiled slowly. So the condition and seasons, about the condition and seasons of food spoiling, you have to write down. Here you can see some work. That work I will give you as paper work, and in this day, in this class, I suggest you to make such type of table, and you will match the table right side and left side. Given below are some food items. You can see here some food items name and some simple methods by which these could be kept fresh for 1 or 2 days. एक से 2 दिन फ्रेश रखने के लिए हमारे घर में, हमारे आसपास में हम देख सकते हैं लोगों में कुछ ट्रेडिशनल आइडियाज़ हैं जो पुरखों से चले आ रहे हैं। हमारे मम्मी को, हमारे घर के लोगों को पता है, और उसी तरह से हमको पता होगा, फिर हमारे नेक्स्ट जनरेशन को, इस तरह से हम उसको फॉलो करते आ रहे हैं कि इस चीज़ों को ऐसे किया। जैसे आम को पकाने के लिए हम कुछ ट्रिक्स अप्लाई करते हैं, दही बनाने के लिए कुछ ट्रिक्स अप्लाई करते हैं, उसी तरह से कुछ फूड आइटम्स को कंजर्व करने के लिए हम कुछ ट्रिक्स अप्लाई करते हैं, जो ट्रिक्स यहाँ दिया हुआ है, बट इट विल बी मैच्ड बाय यू, बाय yourself. So this is the work for you for today, and we will discuss about the Mavidi Tantra, that is very important, and regarding this topic, mangoes around the year. So this topic will be the main topic of this chapter, and we will discuss about this in further classes. So thank you.